Okay guys, what we're going to do first of all is just simply create a simple cube. Very, very simple. First thing you must do with any drawing is go up and select the Create Sketch tool, which is at the top on the top toolbar. If you can't see it there, just use the drop down menu and you'll find everything to do with sketch inside here in Create Sketch. Create Sketch is just basically a piece of paper, and you're then selecting where you want to start your drawing, what area. Now you can use a flat plane down there or one of the side two planes. I would normally recommend you use this flat plane down here. So in this case, that's what we're going to use. We click. We then go and find a rectangle. All we want to do is create a rectangle or a square base. Center rectangle. Select and drag that out. Now, I want that 50 by 50. It's quite easy for me to draw that out. If I wanted to type in those dimensions, I could do as well by just typing 50 on the keyboard, then tab, then 50 again, and enter, and I have my 50 by 50 square. Then to turn that into a cube, I can stop that sketch. I can go up to Create. Under the Create menu here, you have a different set of Create things, and in this case I want to extrude. You can see the shortcut for extrude is E. You just press E on your keyboard as well. Select the surface you want to extrude. A little arrow comes up, and then you just simply pull that up to 50 mm and press OK. Now, there we have a cube. To look around that cube to get a 3D view, click on Orbit, click on the surface, and just hold down your mouse and drag around, and you'll see that you can orbit around a shape. If I wanted to make that shape rounded and less sort of sharp, I can go up to Modify. I can select Fillet. I can select a box over all of the edges, as it says there. So I've got 12 edges selected. I can then say, well, I'm going to round them off by 3 mm. That looks good. Set back the corners. That looks good too. And OK. And that's just created a very, very simple cube. Very, very simple indeed. Okay.